So now the question for this, choose the correct answer. I have asked for that, if you can look at shipping point can be assigned to several warehouses, shipping point can be assigned to company code, shipping point can be assigned to transportation planning point. Like that, which one is the correct answer you have to choose? Definitely F is false. Among all these statements, either one or two will be correct actually. Let me explain you. Shipping point you don't assign to warehouse. Okay, it's ruled out. Shipping point you don't assign to company code. It is also ruled out. Shipping point you assign to transportation planning point. It is also ruled out. Okay, shipping point can be assigned to several sales orgs. It is also ruled out. Okay, shipping point can be assigned to billing documents. It's also ruled out. Okay, so in this, if you look at here, no company codes, no warehouses, all of the above also wrong actually. The question itself it is wrong. Just I wanted to check you. That's why I asked this question. Actually, shipping point can be assigned to several plants. Let's see, we'll come back to this question with better answer. All options are wrong. Sometimes I will ask wrong question to judge your skills. So the answer is shipping point can be assigned to several plants. Okay. Thank you so much. If you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe my Udemy channel. And if you're really interested, I'm just providing my Udemy links below of this video. You can subscribe and learn furthermore. Thank